Welcome back to another video with Cooking with Lux. Today we're going to get into one of my favorite snacks to have that my mother makes, Amma's Medu Vada. All the details of this video will be in the description box below. While you're there, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Medu Vadas are a donut-shaped snack that are soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. They really go well with milk tea and sambal. Well, let's get into this video. Traditional Medu Vada consists of Urad Dal. This recipe is going to yield at least 10 Medu Vadas. Once you've measured out the Urad Dal, you're going to rinse it out at least 3 times until the water is clear. Once you've soaked the dal, you're going to drain the water out and ensure only the dal is being put into a blender. Start blending the dal with no water. In intervals, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of water at a time. This will create a thick paste consistency that you need. The consistency will come out nice and smooth, yet still thick enough to create a ball. In the bowl, we're going to mix up some more ingredients. Check the description box for all the measurements. Make sure to wash your hands before you start the next step. Now we're going to make the Medu Vada shape. Wet your hands, especially the palm, and take a spoonful of the mixture. You're going to create a ball first so that it's easy to create an evenly shaped donut on the palm of your hands. I'm using canola oil to carefully fry the Medu Vada at medium heat. The Medu Vada should be submerged in the oil and cooked until golden brown. Once it's ready, you can take it out and place it on a kitchen paper towel just before serving. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Amma's Medu Vada, one of my favorite snacks to have. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.